In 2012, I designed this Honda CG 125 in LEGO Technic. Today, I present to you an improved version and with building instruction. The Honda CG is a utility motorcycle provided by a 125 cubic centimeters single cylinder with geared camshaft, overhead valve, washable foam air filter and fully enclosed chain. It gives a very reliable motorcycle for commuting, especially designed for country with minimal maintenance. The model was produced since the 70s and are still produced in some countries in Asia and India. In 2022, the Chinese division of Honda has released a special version with black trim and blue color. I have chosen this livery to redesign and improve the version I have made 10 years ago, as well as make proper building instruction. Here is the result: a 542 parts model with fake engine, moving piston, working transmission, steering and rear suspension. Let's see the changes. The most obvious is the color, from red and grey to blue and black, with pairs very well with the new brick-built bronze saddle, which replaced the old stacking lift palm solution and give a more consistent design to the rear part. On the front spring has been removed in order to add a mudguard, which were missing on the first iteration. The handlebar has been changed for a curvier version with grips and levers, but also now with side mirror and the replacement of the round headlight for a rectangular one. The last aesthetic change was on the exhaust, which has been replaced by a more megaphone/trumpet one to fit the original design. The next change are more about the chassis and are more subtle. It is in fact composed of many small improvements which enhance either the design, either the part usage or the sturdiness. First, about the frame. The main junction between the front and the underneath of the engine has been replaced by a beam over stacked connector, which is way stronger. The rear suspension arm has been also improved with beam and connector over only connectors to have a stronger suspension arm with a new attachment of the spring using this part. Then, of course, the rear chassis loop has been updated to attach the new bronze saddle. To finish, the engine is pretty the same with only changes on the color and on the carburetor/injection you can see here in demonstration. It gives at final a very good looking model. I especially like the new mudguard and the black and blue livery. It is fun to see that a 10 years old build can be modernized in terms of building style with new parts, new color, etc. I am also a owner of the early model in red and chrome, so I am certainly not impartial. Regarding the instructions, they are composed of 70 pages in high resolution PDF with part list and flexible parts. You can see here some preview and you can watch it on the shop in the link in the description. Of course, you can swap the few blue parts for other one to build your custom CG model. I wish you a happy new year, take care, play well, bye.